The Chico, the Chico, the Chico.
What's up, y'all? What's going on? So I did one eye already because I only have two battery lives, I guess you can say, versus the whole full. So I tried to do one eye off camera, and then I'm going to do the other eye on camera to show you guys the products and the technique that I use to create this eye look. So I've already set my eyes. I actually set my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in Tan Sand, and then I end up setting it with the Fit Me Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in Medium Deep 30. So this guy right here. Damn, I'm kind of tipsy right now, so
Bitch.
I have to figure out what product I use first. Alright, so I just got this palette yesterday. This is the LA Girl Pro Artistry Eyeshadow Palette. Yeah, this is a beautiful palette. Look at these shades in here. Hopefully I don't drop this. Like, this is a really beautiful palette. I ended up taking this like orangey shade. There's this translucent paper that comes on it so you actually know the name of the shades, and that shade is called Champion. So I'm going to take Champion. I'm going to try to use the same brushes that I used to create this look over here. I'm going to say I think this is the brush that I use. This is the Morphe M441. I'm just going to be picking up that product like so. Tapping some of the excess off. I'm going to use this mirror just because I love how they have this big mirror on this palette. Like, I love when I get a palette and there's a mirror on there because I don't have to look in this mirror over here. I kind of can get up close and personal. So I'm just going to pack this in my crease first before I start blending it out. The only thing that I do honestly now is just go to the store. I go to the grocery store almost like maybe 2 times a day. I don't know, like I really be wanting to just do something, and the only thing that's really open is the grocery store, so that's what I end up gearing towards doing. This pretty vulgar eyeshadow. Why does it look like my neck is cut off? Okay, I'm taking this pretty vulgar eyeliner in Blacklist, and I'm just going to create a like C-shaped on my outer area of my eye. Okay, now that I smoked my lash out like, or not lash out, but eyeshadow out like so, I'm gonna go back in with that LA Girl Pro, can you guys see that? LA Girl Pro Artistry Palette. I'm gonna take this emerald green shade, and this is Prodigy. I'm gonna dip it in the product first before I sweep it on my eye. I'm gonna spray it with some Morphe spray just to kind of make sure that it's super pigmented when I put it on. Alright, I'm going to pop some lashes on, and I'll be right back because like I said, my battery's about to die, so I'm trying to like break this up into smaller increments, so I will be right back. I'm gonna color correct with the LA Girl Pro Concealer because y'all know I got a mustache and I have bags, so I want to conceal that. I'm just gonna blend this off camera because there's really nothing spectacular about this, and I'm trying to again preserve my battery. So the NARS Tahoe foundation in, well, the Natural Radiant NARS foundation in trying this new concealer. Hopefully it doesn't make me look casket ready because this is my first time using it. This is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Caramel. I think this might be a little bit too light for me. Yes, it is too light. So I'm gonna have to mix it with NARS Natural Radiant in Caramel. I'm not trying to look Casper ready. I'm going to wet one of my beauty sponges, and then I'll be right back to blend out this concealer on my face. So I didn't even notice that I was blending out this foundation, or I did not know I was not recording that I was blending out this concealer. So now that that is set, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Primer-Infused bronzer, and this is Perpetually Tan. And I just got this today, y'all. You guys are probably like, yes, I am so glad she is not using that True Complexions palette, because y'all know I can wear that palette out. Hopefully this is the right shade, because it looked like really dark when I first got it. Take the Makeup Geek Summer Fling brush. This is like a nice corally blush. I'm sorry, my bad. I'm gonna set my face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm sorry, you guys, that I forgot. Well, I didn't really forget, but my battery had died, so I couldn't really finish this eye. But I think what I left off on was, damn, I don't even remember. I'm so buzzed right now, and I'm trying to finish this because I gotta go to work at 2 o'clock or 3:45. So I'm trying to get this out for you guys. But I finished the rest of the look off camera because my camera was about to die, and I didn't want to have it die while I was explaining to you guys what shadows and stuff I was using. Yeah, I ended up lining my lip. This Plum lip pencil. This is a go-to MAC if you guys shop at MAC. It's more like a deep, like kind of plum, like kind of pencil. And then I paired it with this sweet MamaStarr Amplified Lipstick by Patrick. It's from Patrick Starr's collection. It's kind of like a nudish color. And then I also topped it off with, damn, is it sitting in front of me? Oh, it's right here. I don't know what the name of this is because the sticker peeled off, but it's from MAC. I want to say it's probably Oyster Girl. Then again, maybe not, because somebody told me that it wasn't. But yes, this is it. Like I said, spray this continuous setting spray. Make sure y'all got a fan before y'all spray your face. I feel like this really comes in handy. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it was rushed. Tell me if you guys like my hair too. I tried to retwist it because it was kind of frizzy. If you guys want to know how I keep my twists kind of looking semi-fresh, let me know. I can give you guys a video on how I keep these kind of like fresh looking or maintenance twists, if you say. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
The Chico.